Meristematic tissues in plants. In a plant, the tissues are classified based upon their structure and what function they perform. Although there are several types of plant tissues, our focus in this session will be on the meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue, sometimes referred to simply as meristems, is a group of undifferentiated cells found in the growth zones of plants. Its cells are constantly dividing and producing new cells. These new cells are small and densely packed, leaving no intercellular space. They also have large nuclei and thin cell walls. Meristems are of three types, which are classified by location: apical, lateral, or intercalary. Apical meristems are found in the tips of roots and shoots. The apical meristems are composed of three types of primary meristems: protoderm, ground meristem, and procambium. These apical meristems are responsible for primary growth, which gives rise to primary permanent tissues of the plant body and thereby increases the length of the plants. Lateral meristems, also known as secondary meristems, can be found in woody and herbaceous plants. They are responsible for secondary growth in plants. The two types of lateral meristems are cork cambium and vascular cambium. The cork cambium produces a secondary dermal tissue known as periderm, which replaces the epidermis in older roots and stems, increasing their girth. Intercalary meristems are found at the nodes of many monocotyledons, such as the nodes of grass shoots. Their growth lengthens the shoot. Like apical meristems, these are also primary meristems. Summary: growth in plants is confined to certain regions known as meristems. Meristematic tissues contain cells that have the ability to divide and form new tissues, giving rise to permanent tissues. The cells of meristematic tissues are densely packed and small in size. They have a large nucleus, a thin cell wall, and no intercellular spaces. There are three types of meristems: apical, lateral, and intercalary.